Unlock the full potential of your Canon Eos 5D Mark IV by mastering the art of zoom lenses to perfectly frame every shot, no matter the scene. First, understand your zoom lens. Unlike prime lenses with fixed focal lengths, zoom lenses, like a 2470mm or a 70200mm, offer a range of focal lengths, indicated by numbers on the lens barrel. This versatility allows you to change your perspective without physically moving. To adjust your focal length, simply twist the zoom ring on your lens. Rotating towards the lower numbers, like 24mm, will widen your field of view, perfect for expansive landscapes or fitting more into your frame. This is crucial for capturing the grandeur of a scene. Conversely, twisting the ring towards the higher numbers, like 70mm or 200mm, will narrow your field of view, effectively bringing distant subjects closer. This telephoto capability is invaluable for wildlife photography, portraits with compressed backgrounds, or isolating specific details. When composing, use the zoom to refine your framing. If your subject is too far, zoom in. If you need to include more context, zoom out. This direct control over your focal length allows for precise adjustments without physically repositioning yourself, saving you time and effort on location. Experiment with your zoom at varying distances to discover how it alters depth of field and perspective. A wide angle can exaggerate distance, while a telephoto can compress it, making foreground and background appear closer. Understanding these effects will elevate your compositional skills. Remember, for longer telephoto settings, especially in low light, consider using a tripod to minimize camera shake and ensure sharp images. Stability will dramatically improve the clarity of your zoomed-in shots. By mastering your zoom lens, you gain unparalleled creative control over your Canon Eos 5D Mark IV, allowing you to adapt to any shooting situation and consistently frame your shots perfectly.